In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a monthly budget tracker in Smartsheet. We'll start right from the Smartsheet home screen so you can follow along as you watch. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. This is your main starting point anytime you want to build something new in Smartsheet, whether it's a sheet, a report, or a dashboard. Go ahead and click that plus sign to open the creation panel. When the new item panel opens, you'll see some quick options, but for this walkthrough, we want to use a pre-built template. Templates are a great way to save time and avoid building everything from scratch. So instead of choosing a blank sheet, look for the option that says View All Templates and click on that. This will open the full template gallery in a new window. In the template gallery, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through every category. Click into that search bar and type the word budget. As you type, Smartsheet will start filtering the available templates that match your search. After the results load, you'll see several budgeting related templates. For a simple and effective monthly budget tracker, the one we want is called Personal Budget Management. This template is designed to help you organize your income, expenses, and savings in a clear, structured way. Click on Personal Budget Management to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review a description and a preview of the layout so you know what you're getting. Once you're on the Personal Budget Management template page and you're happy with what you see, look for the button that says Create from Template. Click this button to generate your own editable copy of the template in your Smartsheet account. Smartsheet may prompt you to give the new sheet a name and choose where to save it, such as a specific folder or workspace. Pick a name that clearly indicates this is your monthly budget tracker, and choose a location that's easy for you to find later. After you confirm, Smartsheet will create the sheet for you, and it will open automatically. From here, you can start customizing categories, adding your monthly income and expenses, and tailoring the template to match your personal budgeting needs.